Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to English Connect, the podcast where learning English feels like chatting with friends. I am your host, Sophia.
Hey everyone, I'm Jason, and today we're talking about something really important, feelings.
Yes, we all have feelings every single day, but do you know how to express them clearly in English?
That's such a good point. A lot of learners just say, I'm fine, or I'm okay to every question, but there's so much more you can say.
Exactly. When you can express your real feelings, your conversations become more genuine, more interesting, and more connected.
Absolutely. Today, we're going to teach you how to talk about common feelings in natural, everyday English.
We'll cover happy feelings, sad feelings, tired feelings, all the emotions you experience in daily life.
And we'll give you real examples and situations so you know exactly when to use each word.
If you're new to English Connect, welcome to our learning family. Please hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
Yes, and if today's episode helps you, share it with your friends who are also learning English. Let's grow together.
All right, Jason, are you ready to talk about feelings?
I'm excited. Let's do this.
Okay, Jason, let's start with the most common feeling. When someone asks, "How are you?" What do most people say?
They usually say, I'm fine, or I'm good. But honestly, we can be so much more specific.
Exactly. So let's start with positive feelings. The first one is happy. This is when things are going well and you feel good inside.
Right. So, what makes you happy, Sophia?
Oh, lots of things. Getting a sweet message from a friend makes me happy. Finishing all my work for the day makes me happy. What about you?
For me, a sunny morning with good coffee makes me happy. Or when I accomplish something I've been working on. That feels amazing.
Yes, those are perfect examples. So instead of just saying, "I'm fine," you can say, "I'm feeling really happy today because I got good news."
Love that. Okay, now let's talk about the opposite, sad. And it's completely okay to feel sad sometimes.
Absolutely. Sadness is a normal human emotion. Jason, when do you feel sad?
I feel sad when I miss my family or old friends. They live far away, so sometimes I just miss talking to them face to face.
That's such a real answer. I feel sad when a friend cancels plans at the last minute. I understand, but I still feel a little disappointed.
Disappointed is a great word. It's like a lighter version of sad. You can say, I'm disappointed when things don't go as planned.
Exactly. Or I feel a bit down today. That's another natural way to express sadness without being too heavy.
Perfect. Okay, here's another super common feeling, especially in our busy lives, tired.
Oh, everyone knows this feeling. When do you feel tired, Jason?
I feel tired when I wake up too early for a meeting. That 6 a.m. alarm is brutal. What about you?
Same. And I feel tired after a very busy day. Running errands, doing chores, working. By evening, I'm exhausted.
Exhausted is great. That means very tired. You can also say, I'm worn out, or I'm drained.
Yes. And there's physical tired, your body is tired, and mental tired. Your brain is tired from thinking too much.
That's such an important distinction. Okay, next feeling, hungry.
Oh, I definitely know this one. I feel hungry around 1 p.m. if I skip breakfast. My stomach starts making noises.
Mine too. It's hard to concentrate when you're hungry. your brain just thinks about food.
Exactly. And you can say, I'm starving if you're really, really hungry. Like, I haven't eaten all day. I'm starving.
Good one. And what about thirsty? That's when you need water or something to drink.
Yes, I feel very thirsty after exercise or on a hot day. Your mouth feels dry.
Right. So these are physical feelings, hungry and thirsty. Your body is telling you what it needs.
Perfect explanation. Now let's talk about angry. This is a strong emotion.
It is. I feel angry when technology doesn't work, like when my computer freezes and I lose my work.
Oh, that's the worst. I feel angry when people are rude or when someone's not listening while I'm talking to them.
Yes. And you can also say, I'm frustrated or I'm annoyed. Frustrated is when things aren't working the way you want. Annoyed is lighter than angry. Maybe someone is bothering you a little bit.
Great distinctions. Okay, here's a fun one. Excited.
I love feeling excited. It's that happy, energetic feeling before something good happens.
Exactly. When do you feel excited, Jason?
I feel excited before a vacation, before trying a new restaurant, or when I'm about to see old friends.
Perfect. I feel excited on Friday afternoons. The weekend is coming.
Yes. That "is it Friday yet" feeling. You could say, I'm so excited for the weekend, or I can't wait for my trip.
Love it. Now let's talk about scared. This is when you feel afraid or worried.
Right. I feel scared during thunderstorms. Those loud sounds startle me.
Me too. Or if I'm walking alone at night in an unfamiliar place, I feel a bit scared.
Yes. You can also say, I'm nervous, if you're worried about something specific, like, I'm nervous about my presentation tomorrow.
Great point. Nervous is about anticipation. Scared is more immediate fear. Okay, another common one, bored.
Yes. I feel bored when I'm waiting somewhere with nothing to do, like at the doctor's office.
Same. Or when I have to do the same task over and over. Time feels so slow.
Exactly. You can say, I'm so bored, or this is boring. It's that feeling when your brain wants stimulation but isn't getting any.
Perfect. And finally, surprised.
This is when something unexpected happens, like when you run into a friend in a place you didn't expect.
Yes. Wow. I'm so surprised to see you here. It can be a good surprise or a shocking surprise.
Right. You can also say, I'm shocked for something really unexpected, or I'm amazed for something wonderful and surprising.
Excellent. So we've covered so many feelings: happy, sad, tired, hungry, thirsty, angry, excited, bored, and surprised.
That's a fantastic list. And the key is to use these words in real conversations instead of always saying, I'm fine.
Exactly. It makes your English more natural and your conversations more meaningful. All right, everyone. Let's do our vocabulary section with 3 important phrases about feelings.
These will help you express yourself even better.
Phrase number 1. I feel a bit. Jason, explain this one.
I feel a bit is a gentle way to express a feeling without being too strong. Like, I feel a bit tired, or I feel a bit sad. The word bit makes it softer.
Perfect. Sentence. I feel a bit nervous about my exam tomorrow, but I'm prepared.
Great. Phrase number 2, I'm so. This makes your feelings stronger.
Yes, I'm so happy. I'm so tired. I'm so excited. The word so adds emphasis and shows the feeling is really strong.
Exactly. Sentence. I'm so grateful for all your support.
Love it. And phrase number 3, under the weather.
This is an idiom. Under the weather means you're feeling sick or not well. It's a polite way to say you don't feel good.
Yes. Sentence. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'm going to rest.
Perfect. So remember, I feel a bit, I'm so, and under the weather.
Wow, Jason, we covered so many feelings today.
We really did. And now our listeners can express themselves much more clearly in English.
Exactly. Remember, sharing your real feelings helps you connect with people on a deeper level.
So true. All right, everyone, here's your challenge for this week.
We want you to describe how you're feeling in the comments below. Use one of the feelings we talked about today.
Yes, tell us, I'm feeling excited because, or I felt bored when. We want to hear your real stories.
And if this episode helped you understand feelings better, please hit that subscribe button and share this with your friends.
Thank you so much for being part of English Connect. Remember, it's okay to have all kinds of feelings. They're all normal.
Yes, be honest about your feelings and keep practicing your English every day.
Until next time, everyone, stay curious.
And keep connecting in English.
Happy learning. Goodbye.